Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for guitar gear overviews, practice amp teardowns, beginner instrument guides, and affordable audio reviews. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at one of the most popular entry-level practice amplifiers on the planet, the Fender Frontman 10G Electric Guitar Amplifier. For beginner guitarists, students, apartment dwellers, and experienced players looking for a lightweight, straightforward desktop practice amp that provides signature Fender tones without complicated digital menus, finding an intuitive amplifier can be tough. The Fender Frontman 10G addresses this directly by delivering 10 watts of solid-state power in a classic blackface-style cabinet. At the core of the Frontman 10G is a custom-voiced 6-inch Fender Special Design speaker paired with a 10-watt analog amplifier circuit. This combination delivers surprisingly punchy volume for its compact size, maintaining clean chime and definition even at lower listening levels. Tone shaping is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Featuring a traditional control layout with gain, volume, treble, and bass knobs, players can quickly dial in their sound whether using single-coil Stratocasters or high-output humbucker guitars. Overdrive capabilities give you instant access to aggressive rock tones. By pressing the front panel overdrive select switch and turning up the gain knob, the amp shifts from sparkling Fender clean channels to rich tube emulated overdrive and saturated distortion. Silent practice is seamless thanks to the built-in headphone output. Plugging in standard 3.5mm headphones automatically mutes the internal 6-inch speaker, allowing you to practice riffing and solos late into the night without disturbing family or neighbors. Jamming along with backing tracks is built right into the front interface. Equipped with a 1/8-inch auxiliary input jack, you can easily plug in your mobile phone, laptop, or media player to stream lesson tracks, metronomes, or backing songs straight through the speaker. Cabinet construction features a closed back enclosure design. This sealed cabinet structure boosts low-end bass resonance while the classic black textured vinyl, silver grille cloth, and skirted amp knobs give it timeless Fender aesthetic appeal. Portability makes it easy to carry anywhere. Weighing under 9 pounds and measuring just 11 inches tall, it fits comfortably in small bedrooms, dorm rooms, or backstage warm-up spaces. Featuring 10 watts of solid-state power, a 6-inch Fender speaker, selectable overdrive, auxiliary input, and headphone mute output, the Fender Frontman 10G is an outstanding practice amplifier. If you enjoyed this Fender Frontman 10G technical overview and feature breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What guitar are you pairing with this practice amp?